Hi and welcome to episode number 13, where we escape in the heat, hiking in the mountains, and cooling down in a waterfall.
Want more mustard?
I think she likes the car. Okay. I think she really wants more. Guy is feeding the cow pasta. Just like 5 minutes ago, the cow was eating mustard. He's really skinny, and we decided to give him some yogurt this morning. And now I think he loves us. Hey, buddy. Comfortable, huh? We just picked another 2, and now we are 5 going to the glacier. Two more, and now we are 7. Okay, you stay with us? Yeah. Vamos. You made it! Yeah! 19 kilometers with us, huh? Yeah, yeah. You want some food, huh? Everybody's tired.
We're leaving Ushguli. We didn't want to drive the same road through Mestia again, so we picked the alternative that Google recommended, and yeah, heading to Kutaisi. It's said that it's 4.5 hours for roughly 150 kilometers, but taking in consideration the state of the road, I can definitely believe that, and more likely like 5 or 6 hours than 4.
Yeah, and also we are going to cross a pass. I think it's 2006 meters, 600 meters above sea level. So we hope we don't have so much snow at this time. Yeah, of the year. So this is how far we come. It is too early in the season, and not only here but a bit more up is also full of snow. So here we could even try it, but later we were talking to the drivers from Two Delicas that came here with some people. They said that it's not drivable at all. Like, it's so much snow that even if you tried to dig yourself out, you will not make it. And in a week I think there's a truck coming to remove snow, so the pass is again drivable. So it's a pity because the views are amazing, and it would have saved us a lot of kilometers avoiding Mestia. But we will have to turn around and go through the other road. Second day in Mestia, second day in Laila Cafe. We are going to the waterfall. Let's go! Comes from here, down here, but if that would be closed, which is normally the case, the water will come all the way up here. It will be like a waterfall on the whole wall here. The water will continue up to the little mill here. But sadly, this gate is open or broken, so we cannot enjoy the water coming down. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.